Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free CodeCamp tutorial on Redux. Write a counter with Redux. So now we're going to apply everything we learned about Redux, like this creating a store, the action creators, the actions, and the reducer, and tying that all in to create this counter app. So to do this, let's start with the increment, which is an action type. And we want this to be the string increment. Great. Now we do the same thing with decrement. So we delete this and we can just copy it because it's exactly the same. Now we can skip the reducers for now and do the action creator. So now so this is a function and we're just going to increment it by 1. So we don't need to take in any parameters. And we want to return the action, return type increment. Great. And now we do the same thing for deck action. So it's a function that doesn't take in parameters. And we return the action with the type of the variable we created before decrement. Great. And now we can create the store. So the syntax of it is redux.create store, and we pass in our reducer, counter reducer. Great. And now the reducer, we want to have a state, and it wants us to start with the state of 0 here. So we can initialize it here. Next, it takes an action. Great. Now it returns the switch case depending on the action type. Like that. So now we want to define the cases. So case, if it's an increment, we return action plus 1. And now we do the case decrement. Return action minus 1. And last, we want to have a default case where we just return the state. Sorry, this would be state, action. And there we go. That's it for this one. Thank you so much.